Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever thought a little thing can make a big impact? Just a little change in our habit can change the world. What kind of habit can you change? So many habits, so many things. One of the habits that we can change is like our habit in the using of transportation. We can change from using self-owned vehicles to using public vehicles. Okay, and today I would like to present about public transportation and why public transportation can change and make a big impact. But first, I will start with explain about the definition of public transportation, and then I will mention some reason why public transportation can change and make a big impact. And finally, I will summarize my speech. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, do you know what is public transportation? Okay, public transportation is transportation intended for general public and usually has a predetermined route, schedule, and it is charged. For the example of public transportation is like Trans Jogja, busway, passenger train, monorail, and etc. Okay, for the first reason, by using public transportation, we can reduce the number of vehicles on the roads and indirectly reduce the traffic jam. In the fact, the main problem of traffic jam is the large amount of vehicles, especially self-owned vehicles. Besides on research of Department of Transportation, traffic jam in Surabaya is generally caused by increasing the number of vehicles in each year, and there is not balance with the capacity of the road and the small number of public transport users. So, by using public transportation, we can help to reduce the number of vehicles on the road and indirectly to reduce the traffic jam. And then for the second reason, when there is a decrease in the number of vehicles, we reduce the amount of air pollution. Motor vehicle is the one of air polluters in the world. Motor vehicles generate a lot of carbon monoxide, and then carbon monoxide will bind to the ozone and destroy it. Besides data from Education and Charter Unit of Waham Lingkungan Hidup Indonesia, the motor vehicles are presenting for 23% of global greenhouse gas emission and 13% nationwide. The fact is, nowadays, a lot of environmental problems are happening. So, by using public transportation, we can reduce the amount of air pollution so as to alleviate the destruction of nature. So, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, if everybody had this thought, we would do something great for this world. Can you imagine when if everyone can breathe in the fresh air? And then, can you imagine when you're staring at the sky, you can see a beautiful blue sky? And one of the ways to make it happen is by using public transportation. So, let's us change our habit. Let's use public transportation to make the world better. Okay, I think enough for my speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.